Last year there's a Peloton recall due to the faulty seat. Namely, the part that attaches the seat to the bike frame could potentially break off at the welding point. Replacing the seat and post is easy. First, you need to remove the end cap using a Phillips head screwdriver. Notice that the old post end cap is silver. If you made it this far, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. It'll help the channel grow and allow me to produce more content that you'll enjoy. Secondly, you need to remove the seat by turning the L handle. Something to note, you do not have to press the button in the middle. That button changes the angle of the handle so it won't release the grip of the seat clamp. To tell if this seat you're on is new or old, the old seat has the word max at the bottom of the post. The new and improved post has the word stop at the bottom. Also, the new end cap bumper has the spring metal as black, not silver. Once that new post is in, you slide the seat back on, lock it into position with the L handle. Overall, the seat replacement process takes less than a few minutes to do.